I hear way I.
Oh, thank you, everyone. Thank you. I think it's America, here in the party. I think it's America, here in the follow. When I talk to my wife, oh, she look up for me, so. When I go with hungry, I don't get hungry. When I have to say the house, she sing my better. Hey, 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 mama. Hey, 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 mama. I think it's America, here in the party. I think it's America, here in the follow.
Confirm, thank you. Thank you for the understanding. Oh, Tam, thank you, Tam. Gladys, Macho, I hear you. Hit the share button. Tam, I understand. Yeah, good evening. Chimbengwa, salute. 21 gun salute. Hit the share button, invite friends. Long time. Diba Simon, Atoe, salute. Abong, Johnny, Atoe, salute. Woo! Diba Simon, I see you. Welcome, you hit the share button. Don't forget to hit the share button. You invite friends. On there, Elvis, I see you. From Janet, I see you. Revolutionary greetings. Fine, for Sayo Nade. Oh, here's small bottle dance. La Vista, I see you. 21 gun salute. I see Lucky Mayaba. 21 gun salute. All the way from Luxembourg. Unity Aze, Collins, Ndi, I see you. Wiseland, I see you. 21 gun salute. Revolutionary greetings to this side. Yeah, Wiseland, I see you. Just 1 minute to go. We start the show, just 1 minute. We start the show proper. We give way to Ogata. Ewa, free, I see you. Salute, 21 gun salute. thank you, Wise Land. Thank you, thank you. Let's get 50 seconds. We start the show. Thank you, Wise Land. Okay. Yeah. Fellow Ambazonians, ladies and gentlemen, good evening wherever we are there in the Kingdom of Belgium here and Ground Zero. Now already 6 p.m. Amber time for we here. We come today with a lot of message for give our people and for update our people way to go on for the revolution, both for Ground Zero and for diaspora. You know, say we fight this revolution both for Ground Zero and for diaspora. Now why that some people they call we say Facebook revolution. Yes, we don't tell and say we green. We don't green and then say we Facebook revolution, but that the Facebook revolution it make the land be ungovernable. That the Facebook revolution it make the barbaric regime for Yaoundé it panic. So we accept that one for the people the way they talk say will be Facebook country. Yes, we green. When I go form our own Facebook country, they wanna get restoration fighters the way when I go control. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to salute all my they watch me. I want to salute my fans them for a job well done. If because when I come when I share, me say when I like the message where I try to pass it out. Now why that way you invite friends so that me friends too can get a bit of weight way it go on for years. So salute una, especially my top fans them. Salute una 21 gun salute. Now we go move to the show proper. We now see for both we get for the first agenda we get the motif. We don't hear some people there they make noise. So sorry for that interruption. Some people there they make noise for Facebook. As they say, which will make noise for Facebook? They say they be Ambazonian Youth Council. We go come for that one. They will go come for my message to activists. My own humble suggestion. I need the force. My own humble advice to all the activists. And then again we get economic sabotage. Then we get update for the both end. We'll give update both to the northern and the southern zone. The update way as per the week. We don't record them. And wait way La Republique they talk about we both for the two zones. And then we go for RPG where I ever cry all the time say now I go end the final game for this tournament where we play. Now I go end the game for this war operation. RPG will be activated so soon. So we still work on that. We gave a call people on board, call plenty people because our Ambazonian revolution it don't be in the one way when people they bring some initiative. Some people those acting say na embezzlement na this, but I think say we give a move forward because if you be shy, our people they dive down every day, and then we will keep on. We want to do something you fear. So, ladies and gentlemen, once more, a good evening. Now, before I want to come for the motive for this people they call themselves Ambazonian Youth League. Una quite remember say for some past show I become almost 3 weeks or 1 month something where I become denounce say if you wanna see anything where it take place on Facebook in the name of Ambazonian Youth Council, that organization or a group of people now some distractors where as with the mark fire it go in front. They the one who draw the gear back. As we put the gear for in front, They the one in reverse the gear, me come for gear reverse. I be tell now they say any man they will be very technical now and very careful now for this revolution because we get people now for this revolution where they think where we look at say now people where they support Ambazonian, but when now people where they cut in for say move rich for Boya so fast. I will talk I will give the instances, reasons why these people they delay, they try, in I said they delay the struggle, they try to draw our legs them, our foot them back in the name of Ambazonian Youth Council. I don't be sometime some people contact me, they talk about Ambazonian Youth Council. The person call me, I ask them their objectives. They tell me say their objectives, it be say they be neutral. I they say neutral in what sense? If you are to talk so some activists, some of our activists like Prince Jeka, he know about it. He know. We are to talk so he listen, he go know which way are the talk because the monster contact we, he too Prince Jeka to be tell you say the contact he. So when I be interview them, they tell me their motive about say they be neutral. I say neutral in what sense? They say they need support any party. They're not there for AGC, they're not there for interim government, they're not there for this, they're not there for this. So as they say, how the organization do come about? They say we start before Skapak, Ambazonian Youth Council, we don't start ever since. But they be neutral. But time where they become endorse Seseko as the president, they will give their powers to the Seseko. And since I say, but now they take powers to Seseko. Una do now they be speech they no fit talk. I say yeah. To be frank, if una be give powers, that way they be all man say Seseko. They una that way the same people they take powers from Seseko because they don't arrest him. Either for Konige, either under captivity, he no even rule under captivity. What he wanna do now? They be speechless. They be speechless. They no fit talk. I say wow. They no fit talk. Okay. I say they say they want admit for some group. I say no, me no try. I tell person say me no even try. I say me give my number, me admit for some group. After the group, I say me no even try. They tell me say man they observe their activities. I tell you say when I observe their activities, I will know their stand. I don't observe them follow their life shows. They get so one person what I call say now one who spoke person. They get so one spoke person. If first outing. Now listen very well. If I talk na lie, we will serve na God and we will fight for revolution. If this Ambazonian Youth Council where they talk, anybody will know about it. We now go watch their last show. Their spokesperson is show. Where to he talk for that show? Now go watch where to that person. Their spokesperson talk for that show. Their first counteraction where it come from that show now say make we not contribute money there with the interim government. I was like wow. If the first show when the person if you see my comment. Now I be right on that say any organization will not be neutral, will not be youth for Ambazonian, will not support any movement where you do good work for Ground Zero. The way you now start saying you not give money for interim government. And you never call people the way they give money for them. Anything where the interim government talk, una they against. That means say, una get an agenda. Una get a motive where una create this organization. Now look at this thing. Now, after all deliberation, the Ambazonian Youth Council, you know, come they say that President Yufuka Eugene. Yes, we need to deny me Ambazonian no get a youth council because any government where youth they not be involved, that government is a failed government. That's why it be very factual. Any government where the youth them not be involved in this means that government is a failed government. But when we create some organization in the motive for destroy the aspiration for destroy the good work of Ambazonian people, they will attack the name saying our youth. And it say me like youth and other youth there for Ambazonian, they distance themselves from that kind of organization. When I watch their president, what I say now, Ifuka Eugene. When I watch the first outing, when they say he be president, the first outing, he come outside. Now we can denounce the decision when the internet government give and say me lockdown it take place. Their first outing, he say be youth president. Now we can counteract the Ambazonian government. You be youth president, your first outing, now we can counteract. Say you denounce me go stand not take place for Bamenda like who? Like youth president. So that then one funny thing I say, when you see all the way they do for that cabal in the name of Ambazonian youth, all them now people they will either you be the support AGC or you be a strong supporter for Yerima. Now you told them that. Either you be a strong supporter for Yerima or you be a strong supporter for the AGC. Now ask them. They try for lobby Prince Jeka for that trap. They try for lobby me. We not enter for that trap. Because wait. Because we see the aspiration, we see the objectives, we see the aim. Not be that the aspiration of the Ambazonian people. Not be that way Ambazonian people they want. We will fight this war. I want to talk very clean and clear. Any man where if he thinks that he get a roadmap where if he foster the revolution for the very short possible means we reach Oboya, all man go there back. No man no even know like this independence fight. Any man where he get the most short where Ambazonian people see him, say that the short way we fit reach Oboya as very fast as possible with the following for back. But when you come, when the internet government contribute money, what drag it is speed for ground zero, what drag it make la Republic the panic, then you can't talk say me and not contribute money give with internet government. That will say we help the struggle in one way now. When you talk say you be a neutral body, then you say me not contribute money give for one for a government where now lead the struggle as of now. As of now, now you lead the struggle as of now. Then you talk say I will not say money hold this revolution. Now money will take and feed our restoration fighters. Now money will take and supply our food soldiers materials. Now money will take and fight diplomatic missions. Now money will take and talk. Then when you clap for Facebook, you say me they not contribute money give for internet government. Then you not give your own roadmap. And then you not even talk on a boss for challenge the Ambazonian people. Say, we not get so amount, we not want move on with the revolution. Move follow una. Because if we not be talk so, we not give you the roadmap. We see them. All man will just, no man no they will not like freedom. No man no they will not like freedom. By the time when you come for me, you just say you don't want the internet government, we not give money for internet government, now need this, now the roadmap this. We start see how it to the flow. I don't even need for ask a man, oh, I call to my brother, I say, my brother, the one leave internet government, and how you see him. I don't even jump for una back, direct. I didn't even look back, where I only say, now freedom wrote that. Now freedom wrote that. But when you can kick again, say me don't give money for internet government, then you write your hand, you should not be quiet. You don't give roadmap. That means you help for sending a key our boys for grant. Now I'm saying that because why you going to discourage people, make them not contribute for this revolution? Then you not give your own way, or you not even bring your own. Una show we, una be youth. They say they be youth, Ambazonian Youth Council. Una be very proactive. Yes, normally youth is supposed to be proactive past our elder people. We talk about RPG every day. We can demonstrate. Tell Ambazonian people say una be taxed to the wall. Now RPG, you don't sleep. RPG they line up for line. It tell the Ambazonian people say now the youth them this. Now the youth them need the talk. Now material they this. Una see how people go believe for una. But una no come the road. The only reliable source. The only reliable map route where Ambazonian people as of now believe in. Now we want shatter for them. They don't plan all kind cool for destroy the internet government. They don't fit. They don't try all mechanism for shatter the internet government. They don't fit. So another one don't come transform in the name of youth because they know say some people will say you don't be independence. You don't talk true. You don't talk this. We want be a youth. We want be a youth. You get to be factual youth. You get to be a youth where you talk for the both sides. Because if I even see una just say okay, no, you people should contribute your money to the world draft. You can also contribute your money to this site. You can also contribute. We are fighting the same revolution. I go even. Some not go even think with my brain say, yeah, this man fit talk. That means this man even there. But when you there for destroy. And then now you don't even give roadmap. Then you believe say, now you feel lit. My brothers and sisters, not be like the neutral that way the Ambazonian Youth Council, they talk am. So the man when they call me, I bet me not ever call my number again. Yeah, me no ever call my number again because we call my number next year, I'll just block you in the name of Ambazonian Youth Council. If you call my number again or you send me any message, as I talk so you listen to me, that shit is a sham. It's a total disgrace because the person who talk with me for phone, the team will tell me and the way to the portray outside. That means if you have been that kind of person where you don't fall into cheap trap. If you want to discover someday, they only tell me put inside that group. I want to go someday, they start to say, na me, I dey inside that group, I dey inside this, I don't fall the trap. But I be very wise. I tell the same observe them. I not even want to join some group. I tell you, I go observe them for Facebook, for see the activities on Facebook. But I want to tell you, my brother, you will call me, una activities on Facebook is a total disgrace. It's a shame to Ambazonian Youth when I call them. Because I don't see no objective, no plan of action. Una the come up, una all activities every day now we can kick against the work of the internet government, kick against the work of Ambazonian they believe on total freedom. Una work now every day now for not even criticize, now for kick again because criticism is even better. Una the word now when the internet government move a word outside, una take the word for that counteract. Una not be proactive. Una the wait now anything job una be silence. When the internet government take a decision, then una come counteract. My brothers and sisters, I know they belong to that kind of organization. And it's a total failure. I swear to God, it's a total failure. So that one now advisor to those people that call themselves Ambazonian Youth this thing. Then we'll go to my message to the activists. Yes. When this issue of activists, when I post, I say I distance myself for any activist will be too proud. I insult the internet government. It insult the institution, not the internet government. Insult the institution. I think it against our president. I distance myself from such activists. My second post where I come live, I talk about what he said. I say where people comment plenty. I say any activist where you need to respect the internet government, we put it under the box. Some people, I get a message where I go read them, where Abu Karim, before I come live, I just see for you war for Abu Karim in war. I don't know whether me I will get or towards the same direction. But I go read them. Me all my listing. They will elaborate. Then people they will be right under my Facebook. Will not be free because criticism be free. Some people will say Momo Kante. Say we will be Momo Kante. We the fight Prince Jeka. Someone say Prince Jeka stand for the truth. So we will the fight against the truth. And someone say so freedom of speech again not be allowed for Ambazonian. Now the three better comment that way I speak about. That one is for Momo Kante. I want ask a question, but that way talk say Momo Kante. When you say me I be Momo Kante, I want to be frank. Me we Ambazonian will be very frank for ourselves. If we want this revolution for Foster, no coach person. See, some people in the way some people in the way, if you coach them, if you coach me, I keep them. Because me, I'm married. If you coach me, I don't even need to respond for you over. I don't be required. But some man, when he coach you, he will reply you. And the reply, when he will reply you, he will turn to query. And you say, una two, una no be agree on yourself. Because I want to ask the man, when say Momo Kante, what the Momo Kante get for do now with the advice, with the activists? What the Momo Kante, because when you say Momo Kante, you did talk for FISA or you did talk for spoiler. Because we dare not for FISA. Any statement where you come up for your mob as an activist or whosoever, where you think say that talk, you know, go foster this revolution, my brothers and sisters, draw and keep them back. Just solely after your belly. And you talk again. Any talk where you think say you go come up for your mob, any word where you think say you go utter for your mob, where you think say you go foster this revolution, where you think say where you utter them, you go it's a draw we backward, my brothers and sisters. Just solo am. Just solo am, I beg. Some people say they don't follow me because I talk say I will distance myself to activists. Yes. I talk I'm very clean. I distance myself to activists where they be too roots, too proud. Okay. Now, more come to the real issue. Some of una think say Prince Jeka now una love Prince Jeka pass all man for the revolution because I believe say when fans you follow some person, when that person they go astray or that person get be disturbed. Now the right time for you for call you back, you tell it in there because not be all man for the way get brain beat the same. Not all people need the flop knowledge. People get what some people in the way they need for the impact of knowledge. Some people in the way they get that wisdom. And some man the way where it be vexed, where it be traumatized. Time the way you calm it down, you bring it down. You tell say my brother I don't do this, my brother I don't do this, my brother I don't do this. And where would you do and so? And then some people will just say you dey against merciful truth. We will not dey against merciful truth. When I watched Paul Nilong, he show yesterday. And at the very way, I will repeat wait way port up. Prince Jeka, now our brother, we there for water, me and ye to today, we then follow up. We be the we here say the heartbeats for water. Now we will do it. We talk on daily basis. We talk on daily basis. So you know what be like when me I criticize you for Facebook, all this. No. I need to criticize Prince Jeka for Facebook. Yeah, I need to criticize, but I need to give advice. For my own way. Advice don't mean say na my way senior you or na my way it must be above you give you advice. Me and Prince Jeka will talk on daily basis. So if you are the right, my right up, me man not take a misquote say at the fight. Why I get for fight way me and ye. They talk about water every day. They talk about water. I don't hear me talk about water because we know where the money for water is go. And when we talk about water every day, all the 13 counties, if you talk about water, the 13 counties, they don't ever open their mouth talk about water because they know where to where water don't do them. All the 13 counties, that means the whole Ambazonian, you don't chop for water. The interim government, for diplomatic mission, they don't take money for water. Plenty organization they don't take money for water. Water they do a great job. But Prince as individual, and it now whole Prince as individual. So when we talk say, when you bring it down, even with the whole meeting every day, you bring it down. If get a grievance, I tell you now. What do Paul talk yesterday? Paul Nilon talk say, what will happen for Meme? Now me and Paul we dey. Me and Paul Nilon we don't query for Meme County, exchange query because of Tony. Where Paul Nilon be tell me the bad deed of Tony, but I never want believe. Because me I be big brainwash too. Where I didn't see. But now I can't discover Tony for Meme County. Why I call Paul, I say, well, bro, I'm sorry. I don't see where to have the top. But we not be, me and Paul will not be come online all the time. We can't talk, say this, expose everything for Facebook. Where we talk for Prince in merciful truth is stand. And Martina, the difference there between truth and criticism. When you keep on repeating something every day and you stand for that word, say if it not happen the way you want, you go destroy them. Now the thing that will key Eritato. My brother they watch me now. He remember where we call Eritato. Now if they call me put up a phone with Eritato, we tell Eritato say your activism the way you don't start go. If you don't take care, they will put you under the bus. When you don't decide, say, if Dr. Sako no go, the revolution spoil. That means say you return automatically, you get the powers for destroy the revolution. Now the problem that way we Ambazonian. Now the problem that way we with the facer. Where someone say it must work for your own tune. The Ambazonian, the majority, don't say it must work this way. You decide say it must work on this tune. We don't tell our brother time and again say the issue for Fako, all we activists will not be happy for what we take place for Fako. But the commander-in-chief, I will stand as he talk him. I talk him many times. The commander for Fako, for Ambazonian, the commander-in-chief, the interim government, where we will vote him, will give the powers. Now he don't decide. Say Fako security, he get under it. When we talk say they be supposed to consult this. America, some people got example say America, the governor, this. When America will go America will go on strike. There's recent strike that happened for America. Now who they call security? Not like the governor of that state, he call security. The president get rights for call security send out any site where he wants send them. He wants send them. But I know we don't know or we know. We don't know or we know. All that say something they go wrong for Fako County and the president step in. That now my problem that and he still beg the president say me to come for Kumba 2 day na 2 LGA. We talk we say we know Kumba 2 get 2 LGA and me I get there inside the other LGA. If the president can't take over Kumba, I total 100% support. Why me I go talk say president no get right or he no get this? Now just we differ with Prince not only for that one. But for the merciful truth, me and Prince, we the work, we get plenty program they will work on. Me and Prince, we get plenty program we work on. the security department for the internal government with the advocate. Me they dismiss them. Whether they call John Gewa now that place away, we the activists will give our opinion, keep on mounting pressures. Because the last meeting where we talk with them to say we like activists give one more. Where we stand until we match na pressure, and our pressure, it don't mean say now our decision with the internal government. No, with the match pressure, where activists in the mount pressure, that pressure they come for when they watch me. You need to go on with the internal government because that will match pressure. We tell una say una open una eye, then una go for una local LGAs. Mount pressure, you go reach your government change. Now activists you work that. I believe that activists you work that because when you get people that you watch you as they watch me, when I talk, when I listen, when I go for I open una eye, say that this man be chief man, this man a chief man, this man a chief man. When I start, when I go for a local LGA, when I go for a county, from there, it reach your government and the government will hear for the people. But when I talk, say because me I be activist, when I talk, me the government will listen for me. Now the way he go worry because now the way Epum die. Epum say if you don't walk his own way, he go destroy. We talk so okay, ambassador people say try and see. Ambassador people tell so try and see. They put it under the boss. They put it under a boss. Prince Jeka, he never ever and he no ever be compromised. 100%. And Prince Jeka, he go keep on for El Clasico money. He go come back. Now, see, one thing I say, we Prince, where we know as Paul, we talk, he say, Prince, it mix emotional, it take anger, come, and we don't advise you, we don't know, and I told you why he said, if you watch, we don't advise straight to your, I'll tell you, Prince, I bet anytime we vex, no come online. He said, oh yeah. So then we have a meeting, we talk for Prince, say, Prince, we bet cool, where we vex, no come online. We talk where Prince, the next 5 minutes, it only they will online. We don't beg Prince Prince where the vex on time don't come online. The chief of Fako in the choppy with heart. We know say he be very angry for where to go on for Fako. But I tell you, I don't tell you say Prince, where to go on for Fako? It be bigger pass you one for fish if you handle them. Don't leave out the women, leave out the government, the internal government, and the president. You don't enter, my brother. Don't leave them. Don't leave them. So it get temper away if you will be there where they chop person. Sometimes you forgot sometimes Prince will already solve the problem with Fako. If you will be there where the whole person, you will only hold the people. But now anger. So we the activists, we give a calm down our temper, especially when they come on Facebook. And you talk I don't tell you plenty times say, no ever use a statement where you go on Facebook, you talk say, for your founder, say if you play, will block you. That people then they type negative, where you say they type negative. Now you found the way, they try for tell you say, my brother, you go astray, come back. So we don't get any problem with the work behind. As I will talk so, sometimes I go, we hold meeting, nearly all the time we hold meeting, I will talk is for clear the space, water na water, no be Prince Jeka a personal property. Water na water, no be Prince Jeka a personal property. Secondly, water na water, no be Prince Jeka be treasurer. No be Prince Jeka be treasurer. Prince Jeka na a spokesperson. And when Prince Jeka come for life, can't talk something the way he talk when I hold you personally like Prince Jeka, because Prince Jeka start a live show without water na water. He start a live show without water na water. So when he talk something, when I hold you personally for maybe account for you one because Watana a whole group where plenty. So even ye, we feel dismissive for Watana. It be very factual. I say even ye, if you form Watana, we go dismiss it. If you go out of contrary, we dismiss it Watana. So Watana be personal property where some people now if you use them, if you go against the norms of Watana because I don't see right up the rest of people they talk say Watana you don't form a clique for move the interim government or for destroy the interim government. I say no. Watana form any this thing for move the interim government for power. Watana na a group Prinjekari do it thing for you one and now why way I advise you for year like my brother. As I join my voice with a voice of Paul Nilong yesterday. Say my brother, calm down. Calm down. When I remember saying sometime be where this guy how they call you Ambassador Bobo. He can insult me. I carry him. I go show him for Prince. Yeah, Paul. I say, una see me. What did happen? I don't know me, Ambassador Bobo. I never ever see me, Ambassador Bobo for face. Me, I never ever moved up for no place. I never ever worry. But this way, he coach me now. Waiting. Now, Paul, yeah, Prince. You can tell me, I forget about Ambassador Bobo. Now, so I don't end the story there. I just end the story that way. And then, secondly, Prince, I don't just say he temper. No calm life. Because somebody the way you talk and you feel say you justify or you talk you want to rely and say you talk and then we know say Ambassador people they so want to be very good for take negative thing there. We don't talk out of 100, you make one mistake. So Ambassador people you go capitalize on your one mistake, my brother. That's what you did. Because if you watch your live show, if you talk, then you can't talk so one. Ambassador people they hold that one way you talk them. That one way you talk away a small wrong thing, you go the whole Ambassador. So I beg our brother and I still beg I tell Ambassador people say me I know they against any activist, but are they against any activist way if they against the interim government or try to destroy the interim government. If we get any person, like one person where they want point away with this fight, Ambassador people now fight standing, join the gawa, you do not work. Now I'm not your public figure. Like why we will fight, I will call names. I will talk with the interim government. Say me they see into Ambassador people that cry. Ambassador people that cry say the defense is the weak. Now they work down with the interim government. Man read what way Abu Karim right before I end this part. I just see. Yeah, nothing where Abu Karim right. Just 2 hours before I want to come for show. On behalf of our massacred and suffering people, incarcerated, exiled, and our land, frontline movement, please caution and demolish activists loyal to you. Like here, it said, please caution and demolish activists loyal to you. Advise them to hold their tongue, especially regarding diplomacy and international relations affairs. Okay, here go again. Independence activists, please focus on educating the international community on our humanitarian and predicaments, history and aspiration, refrain from insulting and attacking diplomats. Please, people, we are, please, people, we are demanding a lot of hard work. Damage control may be impossible in some cases. Immaturity and ignorance, utterance are magging international sympathy efforts. Remember, sympathy is the first caution of criticism. Now, wait that way. I just get away. Abu Karim, he said them. So we see say on the line for which way activists they do our people for Ground Zero they watch we. As we come for Facebook with the query among ourselves, international body they watch them. If we activists we start go with the coach international bodies now their rule where they play them. But we as people we give a stop hate speech. We give a stop for abuse international body because when they abuse them, they take notes. When they abuse them, they think say we never be mature enough. We give a be resolved. We concentrate our resistance on Ground Zero. They will speak for us. We appreciate the effort when they do. Now, Abu Karim talk say, me all activists, we focus on educating our people on humanitarian. More tell the international body what way it happen for Ground Zero. More show the international body how they kill our people every day. More tell international body say they commit genocide for Amazonian. Now wait that way. Our brother Abu Karim in the Bedouin say must stop for be too proud. Must stop for be too proud. Must stop for crush one another. Must stop for things say what we talk is time. What we talk will be the final. My brothers and sisters. Now just a small advice that way. Abu Karim give and he go in line with way I talk with the activists. Then now we go for updates on the both sides. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, we don't see how a Victoria's explosive occur and Northern Zone explosive occur. When I see the newspaper, because when we fight war, don't talk say, when we fight war, when we win war, not like you send a message for international body. Now you open and you send a message for international body. When I hear the explosive way happen for Victoria, where I see kids or a kelebe, that's why they be wounded. Because when we come here, we can't tell when I say explosive don't happen for Victoria, he kill a kelebe, or he do this. So people will talk say that one a fake propaganda news. We saw video there, we saw this there. Now newspaper and CRTV and the other news organ there for La Republique. Now they tell when I say explosive it happen for Victoria. He carry a kelebe and a kelebe them. He did so one day for hospital. We now know say that fake media La Republique when La Republique want confirm for you say some minutes the day for hospital. No say that massacre is bad. We now listen very well. When La Republique want confirm for you say some minutes the day for hospital. No say that massacre is not easy. In the same light, the one way happen for Bamenda. I get intelligence. They tell me say the explosive way happen for Bamenda has they shake. Now listen, now even listen for now Equinox where the interview so he said the whole has shake. And we dey see talk for our people say the days ahead it be pregnant. The days ahead it be pregnant because we will prepare. We prepare. Me tell our people say we still prepare. We never start. When the fire say we never start. We get more than enough. And in this light, before I forget, the ghost towns tomorrow it starts because they never open the shop. We think say as of now they will open the shop. They never open the shop because the ghost town it just be now for the shop the way they lock them. For say when they open the shop, then the ghost town cease because one part for a town nothing they operate, the other part it die. Now so one part for a town nothing they operate. The not even lock people that shop from Queen, then central town it be operate. It operate. So the whole town it will go in solidarity with their own brothers. With their own brothers. So I want to thank our restoration forces for both sides, hope the northern and southern zone. Say kudos. 21 gun salute. We deal with you now. More things are coming. The world draft is the top. The world draft is speak because some people where they think say as of now we go buy AK them. Cast time for Facebook. We sample them 100 AKs. Now world draft that. Now so people they expect plenty watch me for this. So when they see get hope, say Sunday they want see now 100 AK they don't sleep. Action. Now action the top now and the world draft and we there for do more than. We don't go here. We just wait. We just wait. Action and join with this operation RPG way with the car launcher. We go kill all thing. So in that light, I take this. I want to just give you a small message for people the way they be think say na diaspora. I see the other people the way they think say na diaspora the fuel for people they think say na diaspora the fuel struggle. We are listing a historian, a Ground Zero. We are live go find him because we will talk to the Republic. They start find him. Who said that person will make that speech? The only show for ABC TV. So I think say more listing for this historian. May it teach some new compose. May it teach some people history. Muna know na diaspora study fight and na diaspora go end up. Where some media news and the work I cry say na diaspora wait. This war start for Ground Zero. And you go end for Ground Zero. Ground Zero go end up. Now listen. Now listen.
Yeah. We are Southern Cameroonians. Southern Cameroon has been fighting for her right to self-determination since 1954. Southern Cameroon was enjoying her self-government since 1954 with a cabinet of more than 13. Southern Cameroon since 2000 launched a case against the Republic of Cameroon and finally won that case. The African Court of Justice, African Court of Justice, launched a complaint and passed a motion in support of Southern Cameroon. That the Republic should want out of Southern Cameroon and that Bolivia should respect her territorial boundary and independence. Olusegun the passenger of the Republic gives respect. The Bolivia of the Republic never respected. He was asked to walk out of Bakassi 1,500 kilometers away. Obasanjo was asked to walk out of Bakassi Peninsula 2,500 kilometers away to Abuja. But finally Nigeria respected, but the Republic never respected. Going back to the force of Southern Cameroon, for Achiribi of Bafut, one said, Nigeria is water and the Republic is fire. So is the fire now that we are exercising. Now, innocent Southern Cameroon went on street to complain. It's enough. Without any mass destruction, without gun, without bullet, without anything. But finally, here is our elder young brother lying here. Since 2001 in Kumbu, more than 4 were killed cold-bloodedly at town for Liberty Squares. Again, 2015, more than 100 Southern Cameroonians were arrested in Kumbu. 3 have already died because of torture. 2007 again, more than 7 Southern Cameroonians were arrested from Kubu and were detained in Bafoussam Central Prison, not even in Southern Cameroon. But Dr. Joe Shinyoy was tortured to death and died on the way at Jakiri. Southern Cameroonians stood teaching in school, they're learning in school, is distorted history. And what is going on now? The Southern Cameroonians, those who are being sent to kill innocent Southern Cameroonians, are still our brothers who are in the so-called military of the Republic of Cameroon. Because Southern Cameroonians can only be assigned, Southern Cameroonians and police can only be assigned to go out and shoot their fellow brothers and sisters. They cannot be assigned to go and make peace. Southern Cameroonians, if there's an army colony who is a Southern Cameroonian, he's self-bullet. 15 rounds. A Francophone who is having the same round with him is having 55 rounds. So that if you empty your 15 rounds and he got finished, he will finish the rest and squander with you. Finally, the so-called Commonwealth scholarship that only Southern Cameroonians are supposed to benefit, only Francophone children are benefiting. The Bamenda University that was created only for Southern Cameroonians has been Francophonized. The GCE board, the financial secretary of the GCE board is a Francophone. My dear parents, mothers and youth of Southern Cameroon, the time is now. Forward ever and backward never. The time is now. Southern Cameroon have the right to their self-determination. Independence is our inherent right.
Thank you.
Independence and the freedom of Southern Cameroon is our inherent right. And we are calling the United Nations General Assembly of the Human and People's Rights that the time is now. Southern Cameroonians are also calling on all African head of state that the time is now. Thank God.
Okay. Una don't listen na Ground Zero. Now one of the people in that way they fit speak for Ground Zero because they say when they say when hands stay for last, you will surely touch it. As the war is prolonged, we will start see more action. We know we know say our people for Bamenda, they fit stand challenge the mayors. As the war is prolonged, we are going to get more history. Then Francophone, I think say na diaspora. This one will come out diaspora. This one will come out now that will cry has. Where they bury ambassador and where they don't kill him. When La Republique don't kill him, now a historian that in where Ambassador Mofla, it tell the history for the world, right for Ground Zero, me the world know, say we no get anything we do with La Republique. We are two separate countries where we can shoot down for the make noise, say the diaspora hijack this, diaspora do this. Now, because tomorrow history go judge now. See, all the way that they make that noise for that media prime or media this, with the wash now. With the wash now, the war will end and it will end in our victory. We not the waste time with the wash now, but we will account for. Because when we get small bread for go for dwala, we now do get small water for drink for dwala. Then we not start to talk with our people. See, when I see Barris and the day when they talk, but I ask you people and then they talk. What will happen for them? When you don't want to take small bribe, sometimes you that small girl will keep talk with that the other day for prime news. Sometimes these teachers who don't pay. Sometimes don't send your dose for ministry. Then if you say when cast down with media, tongue noise, they can't say this thing. How much they'll pay you? They die for your people. Now it's two bona fide fighters for Ground Zero. They give a strong message for all ambassadors, both for diaspora and Ground Zero. The Green Tree Accords. The Green Tree Accords. If you don't know, you don't tell about the Green Tree Accord. How the document where probably signed, the document Nigeria signed. The document Nigeria signed. So where would you talk? Say some people say, would they mislead who over here? Who will mislead who? Who be educated past the people of Ground Zero? Who will be educated past Abu Karim? Who will be educated past Barisa Ashu? Who will be educated past people that they do for Ground Zero for year? Say that they mislead who? Who they mislead who? We will start a war with gun. Who will declare war on who? Well, on a cast time, we say we mislead people, we do this. But time become. Now I will surely tell we now say, now we will be mislead with. So we're going to have economic sabotage. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, now, since the lockdown, he can't start for Northern Zone. And he say please. And please with our restoration fighters. Say I bet we na plenty. We na not green. Make people that they collect water bill, electric bill, me they pass for na quarter. Tell our people me they pay electric bill. We na not green. Make people that they collect tax or people that they pay rent for shop they for market. Me they pay any money for the deal or mayor. We get to keep the economic sabotage burning. We get to keep the flame burning. In so doing, these people will go down on their knees. This La Republic will go down on their knees. And the best strategy that we use them for stop them not for to see our shop. If our people stop for start paying tax and our people not get the capability for stop not paying tax, but we not the restoration fighters, we not get the capability for stop those people because we not start arrest those tax collectors. Those people when they enter, we can't read metal bill, electric bill, or this, not them that. They will stop. La Republic will go down on knees. They will stop our people for the molest our people anyhow. We'll get a lot of people when they collect these taxes, they stay only among we. They stay only among we. They live and they laugh we. So we will not get the strategy. We will not get the strategy. We get to start deal with them. We get to start deal with them. Economic sabotage now one of the best factors where we're going to use them for this revolution. And where it go, economic sabotage. Anything concerning the government, move find on means. Even I will do, I will bring it down. We get to find where we bring the government down into a knees. Me the worker with their knees go for Swiss. We get to find on means. Every means, anything concerning the government for La Republic, for our territory, we bring it down. Anything we see say it give a small change, we bring it down. Una see how they will cry. Una see how they will cry. Those even that phone they make noise. They make noise so because the mayor they see them every morning. Mayor they go see them. Now why that phone they make noise? But when mayor don't get money for fit himself, you know, get the one for give fund. And when I start the fund, they will adjust themselves. Because fund, they don't join politics. They don't join politics. And that politics, CPDM, they win. Automatically, now they control, but I automatically, they get a money where mayor they give it all the time. But when they don't get money, they will change their, they will change their mop. They will change their tune. They will change the dance, the system. So we get to fight for bring down anything will be related to the government. And then again, we don't see the barrier where they bury our picking the way they die for Bamenda way the Republic killer. We see the communication where it come off with military, the spokesman military. He say that boy they been a amber fighters. He said that boy they been an amber fighter. Okay. That boys have been amber fighters. I want plea too for our restoration force to say, 1, 2, 3, if they kill any ambassador, wanna kill the Republic. Una know what you give do. They kill we 2, we kill them 2. They kill 3, we kill them 3. Why would they waste time? These people don't over kill we for our territory. Over, don't too much. Then the key, the bundle our picking. I cried that day when Abu Kari the talk for ABC TV. Say that picking they come, they beg. That means they only arrest them. I mean, if you say they don't shoot them, they arrest them, they kill them. Then the beg say, I beg, arrest me, I beg no kill me. I beg, arrest me, I beg no kill me. La Republic kill them. Point blank. Then you get Francophone man is still for your quarter. Then when the Francophone man in the top, he will say, where, una Asia weti. You don't even kill it too. So that news go reach for Douala, news go reach for you. They say, we too don't kill their own two person. Those are say because see, what way La Republic manipulate this fight that say it hides the truth from their own citizens. La Republic hide the truth. Where they go on for ambassador for their own citizens. By the time when we start kill their own people, their people for up, they will start investigate for know the truth. Where they go on. Me they no kill we, they can't should not sympathize. Say where, what you never say where. As the key, we get all the resources and everything it take for backup. We get all the way it take for backup. The key we will kill them. Our resources force in a year. As you give that quarter, when I do a quarter. As you get years say they don't kiss on two picking. When I see how they go cash, ain't no sense picking them for Bamili. They kill at the travel road. The key in nonsense picking them. Teenagers. They kill at travel road. When I calculate how many civilians they don't die for. When I calculate how many our people they don't die only for this short, for this 1 month, so we never finish. When I calculate how much, and then the Republic they inside our territory, they didn't joke anyhow, they feel free anyhow. They call their people for La Republic. They say no, all things be normal, all things be normal. They kill our people every day. They will shoot down. Then we go tax with the tax with the fight only military. With the fight only military, why we fight only military? Military fight only amber. Military only fight ambassador will kill them. So we together will change the strategy. We together will change the dynamic. We will change the dance. Not only finding La Republic military. La Republic they find only our retention forces. They didn't find only our retention forces. They find our people for killing. They kill every day. They kill that 2 girls for Libya and them, they do 80. That 2 girls for Libya and them, they do 80. They do 80. They will catch down with the fee free with them. With the fee free. With the fee free with them. They will go. So our resistance forces, I think say una the year and una the year good. Then I want time our resistance forces for Manfe, and with the year good news where they don't sample for Manfe, but we still get updates. We still get update. We get say our boy for Manu County under the Willie. They don't do a great job, but more info this can, but we don't just get a good news and none of our boys, no one will be hot. And we get all the strategy how they use them, but we still come back for more good news. Then we go for Operation RPG. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, this one I want to announce today. We get to start work with Operation RPG. And we don't contact plenty people. We still get suggestion how to work with RPG. You know, say when they say youth, we youth, I want to call all the youth them. We get a form a forum, and this time around we know go there where we form a team where it be accepted by the internet government. We the form until where we go. The internet government will give you the go ahead, so that tomorrow. The internet government, you will get the upper hand for asking questions. So that tomorrow, the internet government will get the upper hand for audit. So that tomorrow, we will get a backing. Yeah, bravo Willie, bravo Willie. They don't do a great job for Manu. So, we come up. So, anybody watch me, if you see any forum where we go try for create for Operation RPG, and we go, the government will be aware, and I think say we in that light we talk to some people, but we not going to disclose plenty to them for Facebook, but we the team for start the Operation RPG active, where we think say before now we don't say before February to after the 3 months, we must get a succeed in that forum for buy at least 1 RPG. After 3 months, we must succeed for buy at least 1 RPG, After 3 months, we must succeed for buy at least 1 RPG. Now hear that. So in that light, we go very soon. We will activate them because one thing for my life, I don't ever like. I want to say touching money. My platform is a platform for money. My platform is a platform for money. But people don't talk say I don't feel talk anyhow. We will bring and the money. No ever. I don't even see how it pass. We go only we talk and then direct. We only get we be activists. We will be activists. Activists don't even get right for deal with finance. Activists get right for this. Because I watch. I only look. If we any least mistake, we don't kick against. So the following go there, we go there. We give idea. Then we will come live. Will bring more people because activists will bring more people. We talk, preach them. Then you come for the group. You get people the way they gire the affairs, so that they leave the neutral. You be aside the wash. Any magu, you don't kick them. You don't really blow alarm. So I think say we go start the program. I see Wheezy. We go. I'll call you when I call few people in the back. Then we activate. So we know if you just done. Yes. I think say even the internet government if you get them, but that one become a supplement or something for arts. We wait to hear the internet government. The thing if they think in that direction, too good are fine. But with the fight now war, if the internet government the think in the direction of RPG, good are fine. If we raise our own money, we give them. They take them. We now buy and give we. We know LGO figure. The next one we give another LGA. So we still work in the same light with the internet government. So our time we now for watching and we now stay blessed.